Sump pump is a pump used to remove water that has accumulated in the water collecting sump basin. Common applications are basements, crawl spaces, and yards where water management systems are required. We use Zoller brand sump pumps exclusively because of their quality construction and 3-year warranty. All Zoller units are pressure tested after assembly and built to last. Once the location is established, we dig the hole for the sump pump basin. And terminate any necessary perimeter drain line that may have been installed. We've determined the location for the sump pump. So now what we have to do is dig our 22-inch hole. We set the liner in the hole. We then put our sump pump stand in the liner. Our sump pump rests on the stand, giving it about a 2-inch lift off the bottom. We have our 1.5-inch check valve, which is necessary to keep discharge water from backflowing back into the sump pump basin. From there, we run our 1.5-inch line up and out. It goes outside the foundation of the hole to an area that drains away from the hole. At that time, the lid goes on. This is an airtight lid, or watertight lid, I should say. So you don't want, you're going to have standing water in here, you don't want it going into your crawl space. Our installations also come with a water alarm. It sits on top. If your pump for some reason loses power or quits working and it overflows, an alarm will sound letting you know that there's an issue. If you have a plumbing leak in your crawl space somewhere and water is on the liner and drains to the sump pump, it will also activate the alarm letting you know you have an issue. All of our power to all of our sump pumps is a dedicated 110 circuit with a separate breaker. So if you do hear an alarm, you can go to your electrical panel, turn off the power to the sump pump, and call us. As water intrusion occurs, the water will drain into the sump pump basin. As the water level rises in the basin, the float switch on the sump pump is activated, causing the pump to discharge the water. This process continues until the water intrusion abates.